The HED class at New Start is your getaway to college success. Led by a peer mentor in a similar major, it's where you will learn about the University of Arizona resources, connect with fellow students, and set yourself up for a stellar college journey.
My peer mentor was Allison. She was a GA. She was amazing. What really opened me up in that classroom was the icebreakers. Each one of them was really meaningful in a way where one of them was about this chain. And in this chain, it talked about the struggles you had. And if you had that struggle, you would attach a chain. And it was just really cool to see like how many people face the same struggles as me. And it really opened me up in that class. And I also made so many friends. It was the best environment.
One thing I took away from it as a New Start peer mentor over last summer was just kind of the fun environment. Obviously, it's an academic setting, so it's formal in some ways. Those HED classes were a really involved time, and you could tell that the students were taking away the big key points of each day while having fun.
I think one of my favorite parts about HED was going to the Friday lectures. I remember we would always try to find each other during the break in between.
So HED, I loved all the discussions that the students had. They always brought so much insight to the discussions. I think that just helped them kind of get another perspective.
I really love just getting to see my students kind of connect and meet each other and start having these built-in friends for college once they start in the fall.
As a peer mentor, I thought that the HED class was super fun. I think the curriculum was very, very helpful for my students. We talked about things like imposter syndrome as a student, finding community on campus, the different resources like the campus closet, campus pantry.
I feel like I really connected to my fellow students in my HED class, and I felt like because of everything that we talked about, all the discussions, really was building community and finding my place here at the university.
I did New Start in 2022 when I was a freshman, and the HED class was a good experience because they talked everything about, the college experience. We had games, we had icebreakers, and also what was really important was that the peer mentor, Ivana, which I haven't forgotten about you, girl, I still remember you. She was a sophomore at the time. It was really cool because she was almost like my age, and it didn't feel like she was like a professor, or it was more casual. And I think that's what really impacted my experience in HED, is that it felt like a comfortable environment that I could just, be myself in.